Julle come along with us for another adventure here in Scotland. So before we hit the long road to freedom, first just did a few checks on the car like water and oil and I don't know what else. Luckily, one of us in this relationship is responsible because I'm never going to be doing that. As ek ooit eendag met hierdie kar moet gaan staan, ek los en loop. Uber my nou, Uber my gou. Anyways, julle, so the destination of choice today is Dundee, and as you can see, the drive up to here did not disappoint. Absolutely stunning. Now, we had no plan in our head for this day. We thought we might gooi it like chicken licken and wing it. The first place we saw was the V&A waterfront. Yellow, it's giving me Cape Town vibes. Apparently, this is a museum. Whoever designed this building, bro, 10 out of 10. It's giving me hope for when I was in grade 1 and I was drawing those houses with the windows on the roof. Anything is possible. Jokes aside, guys, just look at these cool light fittings going up and down. Absolutely awesome. Now, a great thing about this museum is that it's free to enter, and guys, the views that they offer is absolutely stunning. I would even pay to enter just to have these views. It also helps that we came on a fantastic day with clear skies. Now, inside the museum, there's a learning center with loads of material around the museum for young people to learn things, which makes it an awesome family day out. They even have a cafe at the top, and the views from the cafe are just as stunning. Anyways, I just grabbed me a takeaway latte and then we headed for the city center. Now again, guys, no plan to where we were going. We might just follow the maps along the street. The arrow said this way to the city center, and who are we to argue? Now guys, don't ask me what buildings are what buildings. All that I know was this was a church. I know this because again they said so on the board. This building, the name on the wall, no clue what they do inside there. Anyways, I thought Edinburgh has a lot of statues. My Dundee takes the cake. These are just a few of the statues that I looked at. My really on every corner, a statue for something. Again, no idea what they do here, but this is a stunning building. On the way back to the car, we discovered this lovely garden. It was so peaceful just to sit and soak up the sun in here. Ek is seker daarvan, we missed a lot of other stuff to do in Dundee, maar what we saw today, I am really pleased. An absolute stunning city, I could live here. On the way back to the car, Fetchin found this game to play. I have no idea what's going on. All I said to him was, good job. Anyways, ons het 'n baie lekker dagie gehad, exploring more of Scotland with fantastic weather. How blessed can we be? Anyways, that's all for now. Okay, bye.